are taking action this morning. A lot of us want to get healthy in 2018, so we're talking those New Year's resolutions. We're here with Dr. Kathleen Bright. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thank you.
Yeah, so tell us some different ways that we can stay healthy in 2018 and stick to those resolutions.
Great. Well, there's lots of ways to stay healthy, and I think a lot of us know that lifestyle changes and try and focus on you. So diet and exercise are always important. So healthy snacks, less processed food, fruits, veggies, and then exercising again. You know, trying to get that heart rate up 4 to 5 days a week, focusing on about 45 minutes is always good. And you can start low. It's not needing to run a marathon next week.
Right.
But just being focused on yourself.
Okay.
Additionally, there's some other ways to stay healthy, and one of the things is really getting in touch with your health maintenance.
Right. This is very important. People sometimes don't think of this one.
I do. So as a doctor, I love being able to take care of my patients when they're sick, but I also really like the opportunity to help everyone get tuned up on their health maintenance and preventive medicine.
Right.
So I encourage everybody to just touch base with your primary care doctor. You might be due for some cancer screening, for example, so breast cancer, cervical cancer, prostate, colon cancer. So getting in and just finding out what, based on your age and genetics, you're due for. Get yourself tuned up.
Right, tuned up.
Health maintenance. And then another way to stay healthy is getting a good night's rest.
See, this is something that I feel like we could all put on our New Year's resolutions, because it's so easy just like, oh, I don't, you know, can only get like 6 hours or whatever, but it really plays into everything. I
think we all sacrifice that. And really, if we're getting a good night's rest, we're going to do all of our other activities better anyways. So it's just really important for emotional and physical well-being. We know our immune system fights better when we're well rested, so less infection, but also performing better in school and in our careers. So for adults, you know, 7+ hours a night. I know we sacrifice it. It's hard. I'm a culprit.
We're the worst. Yeah.
Yes. And then babies and kids and adolescents need even more. So just talking with your primary care provider about, you know, what sleep hygiene and recommendations are good for me and my kids is really important. And then another important thing is getting reconnected with something you're passionate about.
Yes, that's a good one.
Extracurricular activities. So really letting you have that outlet, whether it's art, a sport, you know, running, cycling, whatever you like to do outside of work and school, is really important for balance. And again, your performance will benefit from being in touch with that something you're really passionate about.
Oh, most definitely. Yeah, it brings you that joy, so then you aren't so maybe frustrated when you go to work or deal with, you know, kids, stuff like that.
Right. It's super important.
Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Bright, for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. Here's to a healthy 2018.
Yes, let's do it.